Welcome back. Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to begin with Mavis McCready, celebrating birthday number 4. It says, Nana and Papa love you.
And we've got Jacob Tatum turning 15 years old in Joplin.
And over in Reeds, we've got Elizabeth Malvin celebrating number 18. Happy birthday, Elizabeth.
Ben Hutto celebrating the big 3-3, 33 years old for Ben in Columbus.
And Adam Ballou celebrating number 43 over in Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Adam.
All right. Peggy Yeager celebrating number 76 this year. Looking good there, Peggy. Happy birthday from Pat, Lisa, and her fur baby, Wendy.
And our list goes on with Robert No celebrating in Farlington, Kansas. Happy birthday, Robert.
And Pete Wiles in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
And down south in Neosho, we've got Bill Punch celebrating number 67. Happy birthday, Bill.
All right, and Colton Cleland turning 14 years old this year in Arma.
And we've also got Mike Brown celebrating another year wiser. And just so happens it's Mike and Renee Brown's anniversary. So happy birthday, Mike, and happy anniversary to you and your wife. Now, here's a problem with this list. There were more of these celebrations without pictures than with pictures. And what we say last week, we want pictures of Spider-Man. I mean of birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya, where do they need to send them?
Well, they can send them to us at birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. You can send anniversary information and the picture information. Don't forget those photos. Don't forget the S on birthdays either.
And it's all right if you send us photos of Spider-Man too, I suppose. And of course, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You know why you should do that? Well, because you get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you head over to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for that birthday club today.